The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the effective and efficient use of the Quadra fog nozzle. Firstly, we will discuss the parts of the nozzle. The hose coupling will fit on either the 25mm lay-flat hose, the 25mm live reel, or at last resort onto the 38mm canvas hose. The pistol grip gives the nozzle person better control of the nozzle. The on-off lever should be used appropriately and set fully off or fully on, not somewhere in between. The flow rate should be set at 100 litres per minute unless instructed otherwise by a fire supervisor. This is a critical setting for several reasons. To effectively extinguish a fire at very high or above fire danger levels, it requires 10,000 to 20,000 litres per kilometre. That's 10 to 20 litres per metre in the first 1 to 1.5 hours to secure the edge. Otherwise, you can expect fires to exceed 40 hectares in size. This equates to an overall effort of 200 to 400 litres per 20 metres per working minute. To achieve this, you need to have at least 90 litres per minute flow at the nozzle. Further to this, a fire supervisor knows that a truck utilising one nozzle at 100 litres per minute has enough water capacity to last for 30 minutes before the truck requires refilling. The most effective pattern for general firefighting is the power cone. This gives the nozzle person a combination of reach and breadth of the water pattern to give the most efficient pattern for extinguishing a fire edge. The full jet can be utilised if the nozzle person requires a greater reach than is available with the power cone. The full fan is effective in providing protection from radiant heat. The flush setting should be used to keep whatever pattern is in use clean and efficient. If the pattern becomes distorted, turn the flow rate selector almost a full rotation in an anti-clockwise direction and allow the nozzle to flush for 10 to 20 seconds. Before leaving the back of the truck with a live reel, it is best practice to conduct a quick operational check on the nozzle. This should only take a few seconds. Check the coupling is secure. Check the on-off lever works. Check the pattern adjuster is operational through all patterns. Flush the nozzle if necessary. Finally, to quote part of an article from International Fire Service Training Association, the nozzle is the primary firefighting tool and should be treated accordingly. Do not drop the nozzle or drag it along the ground.